Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike, MOJO Day Trading. Welcome to my webinar today. Thank you for attending. Excellent day. Got the eye of the tiger, like a champion, like a pro trader. Let everybody come on and join the MOJO Day Trade webinar right here, and we'll get started. MOJO Day Trading offers a variety of live webinar trading classes on different subjects to assist you as you learn to trade. These classes will provide a great opportunity to learn about MOJO Day Trading and see the methods in operation. This is a free class that you're going to test drive the experience. So let's wait a couple of minutes here and let a couple of people pile in as they are doing right now, and then we'll get on with it in about 30 seconds. Oh, there we go. Thank you so much. So I had a little technical difficulty, easily fixed. So let me show you again. Right back here, this is the day trade room, the chat room live where I'm speaking right there. We have the Mojo University channel down here, which class will be held tonight, and the Mojo University texting channel right there. We have the day trading pick. So if you came in the room this morning, all you need is an order entry system. We picked right here, first trade of the day, which was Lulu right here through 56.50. Lulu, I got that in my webinar. That's why I did that one today. And we got Scone at 234. Scone went to 250 right there. Great job. Then we got UV at 1054, 1050. Lulu right there, 56. Then we got DRYS at 895. Mojo don't lose on DRYS. We sold it up at 895. I bought it back again at $7. So if you ordered 1,000 shares of LABD on this trade at 1437, you sold the LABD a little while later right here at 1524. So if you had 1,000 shares, you made easily $500 on that trade. You did this trade, OPTT, right here, 350 with the high at 350. There's 358. There's 363. And the stock went to $4 right there. So that was another great one on OPTT. And then you bought DRYS right here, 1,000 shares at $7 and 708, and added on the way up at 715, and then sold that a couple of minutes later at 748. So that was 1:03 p.m. And then this one was 12:10 p.m. So this is all the picks that went on in the day trade announcements, and they're clearly time-stamped. So all you have to do is press the button to buy and press the button to sell. Here's the general chat area where we just chat between ourselves all day long, talking about the stocks and what happens. Really nice, great information. And then you have the rules of the room and a video library, my paintings that I do, awesome testimonials from the traders right here. And this is the Mojo Day Trading room and so forth. Really amazing social platform of stock picking ability, makes it the best in the entire world. And that's right there, the Mojo site, and a little bit about how I started the room and what the new room looks like. Personally, I don't know if you've heard this, but I started out in New York, moved to South Florida, went to school at the University of South Florida, stayed and worked in Florida in the financial industry, and then in the internet marketing industry and the internet industry with data. One of the companies I worked for got bought out by LexisNexis in 1994 for $800 million. Here in Florida. It was the largest private buyout of a private company in 1994 that I was involved with. Then I got involved, and I've always day traded at all these companies. Then I started the Mojo Day Trading Room in 2012 with a handful of traders that I met online. I coached and Pro Trader Allen right here, which was my one of my first students, the first, and is still with me here today, which shows you a lot on how these traders win and what they do. Pro Trader Allen is currently on a winning streak. We pretty much look to make 1% to 5% every day on our accounts. Pro Trader Allen has been on a winning streak since November of 2014. It's now November of 2016. So if I'm talking right, I have a trader in here that hasn't lost one day in the stock market in 2 years. So this is quite a system I've built. When I was first started, there was like 3 or 4 day trading rooms. Now there's hundreds of them. They've all taken my course. I've taught them all my system. They have copied the system. They changed the name of the trade play to their own, the gap and go, the mobble bobble, you name it, they change it. And it's all good because imitation is a form of flattery, and you can't copy quality and integrity. So Pro Trader Allen up top right there. If you are here, are you alive? I got you in right there. I'm on the, well, I'm in the wrong channel. So Allen, I was doing that in the testimonials channel. So let me delete this message right here, and I put it in the general chat so you can hear me. Good afternoon. I was telling everybody in the thing, you make 1 to 5% every day. That's what we look to make. You don't. You have ranges, but you're on a winning streak since November of 2014. You haven't lost one day in the stock market in 2 years just by following my picks in the day trade room. All you need to follow me in the room, folks, is an order entry system. You don't need the charts. You don't need anything. I put them all out for you. Tell you exactly when to buy, exactly when to sell, and exactly when to do everything. That's all you need to do. Okay? Be here as part of the family and the community. Okay? I launched MOJO University. I taught Alan. Alan's still with me. I've got 2,000 subscribers on my YouTube and 1 million YouTube views with all my videos. I have over 100,000 social media and Twitter followers, and I have been in business with a 95% accuracy win rate for 4.5 to 5 years now, meaning my last 1,000 trades, I'm right on 950. My last 10, I'm right on 9. And my last 10,000, I'm right on over 9,500 of those. So that's the system that I want to teach everybody. How it starts is right here. Do you have what it takes to be your own boss? Paper trade, simulate 20 days. That's 1 month. 5 days, Monday through Friday. That's 5 times 4. And that's how it works. So paper trade for 20 days. Prove that you're a good trader. Let me help you with your business plan. 9 out of 10 day traders fail. Why? Because they have lack of knowledge. Really? Yeah. It's funny because I just went on Short Trader's website and they changed their FAQs. When you go to Short Trader, I don't know why they did this. Maybe it's, I'll show you 2 things. I don't use them anymore. I used to. Short Trader. So I used to. You go to their website right here, and under support, they used to have FAQs. And in the FAQs, it used to say, how am I able to trade such a small account? Because the orders are done on a principal basis, meaning they never go into the market. Orders are filled out of Short Trader's inventory. So if you, as an example, would buy 1,000 shares of that stock we bought here today, which was, let's show you right here, like that OPTT at 350. They have it in their inventory, maybe cheaper at 320. So what they would do is they would give it to you out of their inventory at 320. So let me show you right here. So right here, so as an example, you have 1,000. Let me just make this pen a little bit bigger. So you have 1,000 shares and of OPTT, and you just put your order in, and you want to buy it, and it's at 348 by 347, wherever it is. You just click the button. Done. 1,000 shares. What they do is, here's their pool. They already own this stock. They may own it at 370, at 320. At 280, and they got a nice little average pool going here. As soon as you place the order, your order gets filled from the pool. So if they actually have an average of 328 in the pool, they just made $200 by you fulfilling their inventory. Hey, and if you want to go sell it at 355, I'm sure they have someone in the pool that they can give you their shares at 355. So here's the stock market. Right here, this is the market. Here's the wall at Short Trader. Your shares never make it to the market. It's a conflict of interest. And this is what the FAQs used to say on their website after I stopped trading with them years ago, because you can't win with Short Trader. They'll let you win 1 or 2 days. They'll may take you off the algorithm, but then they'll put you back on, and all they do is collect fees. They collect $5.95 every time you click that button to buy 1,000 shares. And when you go sell 1,000 shares, $5.95. So that's $11. No, you say, hey, that's not me, right? So what you want to do is you want to go like this. You want to go, hey, I pay $2.95. I pay $3.95. Great. So this is $6. This is $7. In and out. You just lost on the trade. Who gives a crap? Do 10 trades. Win on 5. You're a loser. Do 10 trades. Win on 7. You're a loser. Dude, this is what I do. I do 3 trades. I win on 3. I do 5 trades. I win on 4. I do 10 trades. I win on 9. That's a winner. My commission, and in 2017, this is going to be available for all Mojo traders. Under the Mojo umbrella, I trade with Interactive Brokers. They are the best firm in the country. Screw Short Trader. Here's Interactive Brokers, trading solutions for investors and institutions. Let's go to pricing. Let's go to commissions. Let's go to tiered pricing. You want to buy 1,000 shares with Mojo? Here you go. 1 penny. So this is what this is going to be. So you go right here and you go as a comparison. So IB, I buy 1,000 shares. It's going to cost me $1. I'm going to start out at 100. It's going to cost me 10 cents. I may go another 100, 10 cents. I may go 800 after that, 80 cents. It just costed me $1 to buy, $1 to sell. So let's do the math. The average trader does 5,000 shares a day times 20 days is 100,000 shares a month. Great. Your firm that charges $3.95, $4.95, $5.95 has just made $5,000 from you. Mojo, $1,000. That's a $4,000 savings in your pocket, in your bank account, paying your bills for the month, not making you a sucker, a day trader, and putting you on the winning side right there because you're not getting absorbent fees and commissions out the gazoo. And that's what happens when you trade with power with Mojo Day Trading, okay? And all those programs are set up and in place. And Interactive Brokers, so definitely come take Mojo University, come be part of the Mojo Day Trading Pro Trader team, get under the umbrella with me at Interactive Brokers. I trade on the DOS Trader platform, the DOS Trader. So everybody will trade on DOS with Interactive Brokers right here. Boom, done. You're in business. So I've already gotten all that taken care of. Short trader, they're going to take your money. It's a piece of crap. Okay. So that fallacy's done. So lack of knowledge that the firms trade against you. Why do you think I have it as number 1? It's a huge conflict of interest. And guys that are touting that firm to do business with them and say they're not getting compensated back by the firm, that they're doing it just to provide a service, is dishonest. And that's also a conflict of interest. Okay. So lack of knowledge on how market makers fake you out. Yep, they do. Who even knows what a market maker is? What do you mean they fake you out? You think the stock's going higher and then it goes lower. You think the stock's going lower, then it goes higher. Lack of knowledge of how do you manage your buying power and leverage. Yeah, that's why 9 out of 10 day traders fail, because they do not know how to manage the buying power that's given to them. See, these firms are like, oh, look, $500, $2,000, $3,000, come in, I'll give you 20 to 1 leverage. Come trade big time. And then you blow up your account because you don't know how to manage that buying power and the leverage. You don't know how to manage your share size. You don't know how to scale in and out. You don't know how to have any real system. You don't know how to journal. You don't know how to record your trades. You don't know how to handle bad situations. Your lack of knowledge on how to stop blowing up your account. Okay, I'm doing a test. Is the Webby coming in fine in my room? Thank you, sir. So if you answered yes to any of these above questions, you should not learn on your money, as the tuition costs of day trading are brutal. I do have in the right here a group chat going live right now. So here's the webinar right here. I have a group chat. So anybody that's watching it in here, if you need any questions, this is where you can type them and I can help you out right there. That's watching live on YouTube right now. Okay. So answering yes, you're going to learn on your money, guys. The tuition cost, day trading is brutal. You lose one day, it's like toast. You feel like you're toast in the market. So your first step is here with the MOJO Day Trading Challenge. You're going to reach your profit targets and you're going to have your performance evaluated for the opportunity to trade your own live account. Okay. I put out the link for that some time ago, guys. It's right here. So here's the link again for it right here. No problem. So your first step is the MOJO Day Trading Challenge. And by joining the challenge, you'll get the skills required to become a successful day trader. You'll trade a simulated account for 20 days with real-time market data, just as you were trading. Okay. And with that, real profit and loss, just as you were trading. You need to prove not just to me, but to yourself, consistency before risking your real money. You need to be educated in the world famous, which I showed you, the MOJO Day Trade Room. We have clients from all over the entire world, folks, that are currently in the room. Right now, I got Shishido right here that just came from Japan. Trader Shishido last night joined from Japan. Welcome, Trader Shishido. His name is Joe. Hi, Joe. So I got guys from Japan. I got guys from Brazil. Trader Pinto up top. I know all of my traders, folks. I know them all. I know where they come from. Trader Pinto right there. Trader Mueller. He's international. Trader Super. He's a good guitar player and dog lover. Okay. Trader Safari also is a dog lover. Hey, Safari, you want to see something amazing? Major, you know, you said you like to see Major, and I know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you right now Remy, because you know who Major is, but you don't know who Remy is. Okay. So are you there? See, we're a big family. So once you're in the family, you know what's going on. So let me just open this up. Trader Safari. I just want to show you right here. So we go to MOJO Day Trading, folks, and you go to the website and you click About Us. First of all, this is Pro Trader Alan.
Hello there. This is Pro Trader Alan. I'm going to talk to you briefly today a little bit about my experience trading with Pro Trader Mike and the elite MOJO Day Trade team. I've been trading with Mike now since he started practically about 3 years ago. And I got to tell you, the results have been unbelievable. Before trading with Mike on a full-time basis, I ran my own successful insurance practice for about 27 years.
Guys, this is right from the horse's mouth. He's not a horse. It's Pro Trader Alan, but it's not me telling you that he's successful in what he does. This is actually him. There's his home office. He lives down there. He's a big Miami Dolphins fan.
And I decided that I was going to retire at age 50 to have more time to do what I want to do, including spending more time with my two grandsons, ages 7 and 2.
So bottom line short, he's a successful business owner that beat the market and replaced his prior income. If you go to the Get Started page right here and meet Pro Trader Lobster.
Yes, Pro Trader Lobster here. I just want to talk to you quickly about my time so far.
This trader texts me one-on-one. I personally one-on-one mentor him, and he's still in that program every single day for the last 90 days. He has texted me at the end of the day exactly what he has made for the day and what he's done. It actually, I have a picture of it from yesterday. This is actually what it looks like. Let me see if I could scroll back to yesterday on Pro Trader Lobster. And there are probably too many. So let's jump to present. So right here, what I like to do is I like to have fun in the room. See all these people, how we're talking? I could make a comic strip about what we're doing and how we're talking and like have fun with the room, that sort of thing. It's very nice. So what I like to do is I go like this. I'm going to make a comic strip because we like to have fun in the room. And let's just make it on like just a couple of people what we're talking about. How about this? Making it right now. Squidward making the comic right now. So here's the comic. This is starring Pro Trader Safari, Pro Trader Gerardo, and Pro Trader Carlos. Pro Trader Major, go Fins, live in 5 minutes, home. So it makes nice little comics and so forth. Okay, so that's real nice. And let me show you, my picture came in. So I'm not on a time frame on this in this Webby. So it's synchronizing my inbox. Let me just show you. Here it is. So just to show you, you want to see something. This is just for you, Pro Trader Safari. That's Remy. Say hi to Remy. Say hi to Remy. How cool is Remy? Look how cute Remy is. Remy's my new boy. Yay, Remy. Yep, R-E-M-Y. That's Remy. And this is Pro Trader Safari, guys, right here. So let's go to About Mojo. And this is the team right here, folks, with consulting knowledge, experience, and professionalism. You've got Pro Trader Alan and Sash and myself and beautiful. You've got Alan and Sash and Lobster, and there's Safari right there, originally from Iran, but lived most of her life in Cali. Beautiful animal lover. The same thing with Super. And I'm building the team. You know, I have hundreds of these. If you scroll down and really take the time to go to the testimonials right here, I have over these letters that my traders have written me. Hernandez, life-changing letters, folks. Life-changing. Pro Trader Samson, Sunny from Hawaii, Pure Luck. Look at these. This is not, hey, Mike, great stock pick on YouTube and Twitter. Thanks, you made me money. This is Mike, you changed my life, Mike. Okay? Here, January 19th. Where's this? This is Carol, who's in the room right now. Carol says, after I gave a deal, she couldn't stop. I remember your letter, Carol. I'm going to show them right here. So, excuse me. Right here. Where is it? So it's my first trade after being in your room. You told me to wait until I took Mojo U, but I didn't listen and made mistakes. Since then, I've been doing and great. My realized profit since December is 10 weeks is $6,250. You taught about having outcome goals and process goals, and I'm seeing them so far. I can't thank you enough. Right here. After a 30-day trial at half price, I didn't hesitate. I couldn't believe what a great deal it was, and a long-term commitment after being able to see I could learn and decide. The rest is history. Later that day, I received your welcome email and a questionnaire about level 2. I learned about Mojo U coming up. I sent you a note saying I'd love to join, but probably at a later date when I had more experience and my finances would be at allow it. You replied with great advice after reviewing my questionnaire and offered me a great payment plan, and I knew it was the right decision for me to take advantage sooner than later. Thank you, Pro Trader Carol. And that was on March of 2016. GC, he's in the room right now. Tyrone, he's in the room right now as well. God bless you, Mike, for making your life's passion to giving people like me the tools to better pride for myself and my family. He's in the room right now. Okay? KD's in the room right now. Dean, he's not in the room. Owens, he's not in the room. Bray, no. Lord, yes. Ryan, yes. Jordan, yes. Crawford, you better believe it. Derwayne, yes. All in the room right now, folks. Hundreds and hundreds of letters that my traders have written me. Why? Because the system works. That's why. Okay? That's why. So the day trading challenge is the main deal. You come up and you get the challenge for 20 days, conquer it, show me that you could make money. I set you up on a simulator if you're a small trader. TD Ameritrade and all those other firms also have a simulator. So if you go to Interactive Brokers right here, they have one. If you go to DOS Trader right here, which is what we're going to be trading on, and you go to subscribe, they have a real-time simulator right here. Real time if you need that. They have a demo for 14 days right here. All paper trading, folks. You can do it without real-time data or with real-time data for $100. And that's it, folks. It's awesome. So I give you the place, I give you the tools, and I give you the business plan. That's it. Real-time simulator, real-time data, real-time reporting, real-time level 2 education, and my daily guidance and mentoring. So you could see that I'm going to be your lifeguard, and I'm going to give you the best chance to succeed. So nothing is holding you back from getting started. Nothing. Okay? Here's how you set up your computer. You go get 2 monitors. They're a dime a dozen. Go get 2. And they have these 2 cords, the blue and that other one. You take your desktop and you take that and you put it right into the back of that and you plug it into the back. Now this is connected, this monitor to that. Then you take this one, plug it in the back of the desktop. Okay. Plug it in the back of the desktop, plug it in that monitor. And now all of a sudden your computer will pick up both monitors and you've got them both live. You've got a keyboard right there. I got mine illuminated. I've got an illuminated mouse. You can even use a laptop. It makes no difference. You need to have Windows 10 because all the trading platforms use Windows and not Mac. Mike, what if you got a Mac? Well, Mac has an application that you can install Windows-based devices on the Mac. You can use that. Anybody has any questions, you just let me know as we're going on the YouTube chat. Anybody has any questions, you just let me know. And you can type them right into the chat. Anybody want to give me a test? Let me know that you're there and that it's working. That would be real cool. Okay. Now trading firms and fees. Which firms to trade at? Well, we don't have Short Trader, but we have a firm called Pioneer Trading Group for guys that are small traders. That's traders that are under $25,000. What is a pattern day trader? Well, let's ask my day trade room. Why don't we? My day trade room is like Alexa, folks. Okay, it's like Alexa. Let me show you my day trade room and how I have like commands with I have Squidward, SpongeBob, Plankton, Patrick, and Mr. Krabs. Okay, watch. Okay, all traders that come into my room that are new traders, this is the deal. Okay, you're here here's the deal, to make a score, but you're here to evaluate the day trade room in the Mojo style to see if it can work for you. Each day you want to come to an online destination like this and trade. That's your place to score. Please don't look for the score today because you're new. It's a marathon and not a sprint. And if you see the big picture, it'll work for you. What's the PDT rule? Let me see. PDT, FINRA and the New York Stock Exchange pattern day trader as one. I don't need your help, Phil, but thank you, my brother. I really appreciate it, dude. No problem. Listen, a pattern day trader, okay, for FINRA and the New York Stock Exchange is one who affects 4 or more day trades within a 5-day business period of time, okay? And that's it. And you can't day trade unless you got over 25 grand. If you've got under, they pretty much tie your hands. And you can come and trade with a firm like Short Trader, who will trade against you in a conflict of interest, because that's what they do, or you can go find something else. And I found something else. I found a group that specializes in international Forex that clears with Spear Leads, believe, Kellogg, something like that, one of the big firms internationally, and they've hosted the Mojo traders on a platform called TradeX. So if you come right here in the day trade room and you go to prop trading, there's a video on it right here that I made on how to use the platform, and it should just be used as an order entry tool to buy and sell. Their commission is 0.055 per share. You get 6-to-1 leverage. You keep 100% of the profits. Minimum is $2,000 to open the account. 3-month proof of concept. You got a $2 grand account. This is what you do. You're looking to accomplish the following, okay? But what I mean is accomplish the following. You need to get and pick your number. Are we going for $100 a day? 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 10? 10, you're at 2.4 million a year. We don't make more than 10 grand a day in this room, folks. You don't need to. The market won't let you. But let's say you want to go $100, $300, $500 a day. That's a nice income right here, around $100,000 a year. You can make $300 to $400 a day. And on a $2,000 account, 10%, you're doing it. That's $200 a day. $4 grand account, easy, you can do that. Okay, here's what you do. 90-day proof of concept for your own business. Day number 1 to 20, you're gonna make $3 grand. Then you're gonna make $5 grand. Then you're gonna make $7 grand. The first 20, the next 20, and the next 20, for a total of $15,000. You'll have at the end of those 90 days, probably an account over the PDT rule. And what you want to do is for the first 20 days, make $100 a day on 1,000 shares, scalping a dime on my patented trade play that I teach you called the Hines. Then for the next 21 days to 40 days, you do $200 a day on 2,000, and then even the same 2,000, so you make $300 a day, all on the same scalp. And then you bring it to $400 a day and $300, and it's the same. At the end of that month, you will have $15,000 at the end of this 90-day, 3-month proof of concept. Bottom line, okay? Bottom line. Pick your number, get in the class. Mojo University starts tonight. How to become a pro trader, I'm going to show you. That's what the purpose of the webinar is. I have a class starting tonight. I'm bringing on 20 new traders from this webinar that are going to be able to take the class. I have from the last class, okay? Here's how it works, okay? Everybody is adopting the Mojo style. Why? Because it works. Everybody used to teach hundreds of people. Hey, I got 1,000 people in my room. Come to my class. I'll teach you all. Doesn't work. To personally know and get to know everybody, I only teach 30 people a month. Why? Because my traders come back and take it 1, 2, 3 times more and repeat the class at no additional charge. Because repetitive is the key to winning. So if I have 30 new ones and I have from this class 30, and from this class, let's say 15, and from this class 10 are left, I have 30, 40, 70, 80 people, 85 people that are going to take the Mojo University, that are going to be in the class. Here's how it works. Okay, I'm one of the top educators for stock trading in the entire world. Here, I've taught thousands of people. Here's how it works, okay? You come and you take it the first time. And you're at like level 3. Before you take it, you're at level 1, but you think you're at level 8. Then you take the course again. So this will take 60 days to go through the challenge. This will be another 30 days. So I pretty much teach it every other month or every month. Okay, and then you'll be at level 6. You're still not, then you take it again, then you'll probably be at level 8 to level 10, and taking it 4 or 5 more just really is just refining just to hear it again, because repetition is the key to winning. Okay, so after 90 to 120 days, we're going to be together for 6 months easy, folks, to a year. I want to get to know you. So that's why you can't teach a lot of people. The people that come the first time, it's Chinese to them. What I concentrate and what I do is 70% of my course is speed. Once I teach you the system, we got to get up and practice speed. So when I call out the pick, you're not left behind. That's what the people come back the second time for, the speed, to practice their speed. Because the first time the people are like blown away. They can't believe how fast it's going. So they come back again. Then the third time, they're really up to par. So taking it 3 times is really the key. Pro Trader Allen has taken it 6 or 7 times. Okay. New traders, here's your mistakes. Not stopping after hitting your daily goal and giving back all the profits you've made. This happens.
If I could take a brief moment to offer my apologies.
90% of the time. As Mojo Wave theory has been journaled hundreds and thousands of times. Okay? Will you win?
No.
Will you definitely lose? Count on it. The people that are thinking,
Maybe,
you're a sucker. Trading pre-market and ruining the initial wave of the day. You're going to trade pre-market because you think you're going to miss something. I have found through journaling that you can get a better price during the open and during the day than you would have pre-market. You're not missing nothing. Poor scaling, thinking you're going to miss something, and bad share sizing on different kinds of trade plays. There's a couple of other things that people do, and we even discussed it today in the room. And I help you get over this. This is it. It's called FOPB. FOTL. Fear of pressing the button. Fear of taking the loss. These are big mistakes, folks. Okay? So what we do is I supply all my traders with a Pro Trader journal and pen that we take exorbitant notes on every single trade. See, the thing is, you need to do is you need to trade. Here, this is what happens. Watch. If you do 20 trades a day, you can't journal that. It's too much. But if you do 5 trades a day and they're highly accurate and you're wrong on one, then you could mark in and concentrate on this wrong one and fix it. So every time, the 4 doesn't matter, you always win on them. Fix what went wrong. That's the key to winning. Dr. Alexander Elder, in his book, Trading for a Living, and the 3 pillars, psychology, management, everything, is all tied together with journaling. Peyton Manning is able to know and be such a great quarterback through statistics and journaling and writing everything down. 7 Days in Utopia. Go watch that movie, all about journaling. Creating high win rates. Here's the question. How much would you pay for the crystal ball right there? Would you pay $1,000 for 5 picks? I always give this question in my Mojo U. Would you do $5,000 for 50 picks? Or would you go $10,000 for unlimited picks? I'd go $10,000 for unlimited picks. That's what I would do. I'm going to give you the crystal ball for the stock market on how to make money. It's called the level 2. Trading with level 2 and time and sales is the basis of the MOJO day trading style. See what happens is, folks, 9 out of 10, they say 9 out of 10. It's really like 7 out of 10 or even 8 out of 10. I don't think that lose. Why? Everybody teaches you what? Charts. My saying in the Mojo room, WTF. What the F is a chart? A chart is after the fact. Let me show you. Now, if the chart, like in the ABCD pattern, it makes like a little thing like this. So you have A, B, C, D, and then bam, breakout. So there's your breakout above your ABCD pattern or whatever, and the stock goes boom, and you buy, and it does a nice breakout right here. Okay? Why didn't you buy it here and here? Look at the avenue. Look at the avenue from here to here. The amount of room that you have of profitability. Here, you've only got this much room of profitability. It's small percentage. Most of the time, you're left holding the bag. And if you get in a loser, you have FOTL, fear of taking the loss. You can't sell it. So it ruins your day. However, if you buy down here and scale in properly, look how much room of profitability you have. It's increased threefold. So this up here that everybody does is after the fact. This is where Mojo sells. This is where Mojo buys. And if you're saying that's stupid, you're saying Warren Buffett is stupid, because Warren Buffett buys when everyone else sells, and Warren Buffett sells when everybody else buys. You don't believe me? You want me to show you? Let me show you. Mr. Warren Buffett himself, because I personally have, I think I saw it yesterday. Is that a quote from Warren Buffett? Let me see. Let me see, Warren. So, you know Warren Buffett does that as my pictures are loading. So, trading with the level 2 enables me to read the depth of the market. Okay. Let me see here. Okay. To read the depth of the market by seeing the size and the signals that are given out on the bids and asks, allowing me just to make better entry and exit decisions, which are essential for a good day trader. Okay, Mojo Day Trading uses the DOS Trader for the larger accounts and the TradeX platform. They are so much more advanced than the average online brokerage. Having access to the level 2 is the most important. All trading platforms have a level 2 montage. Trading off the level 2 is old school. Many traders say that. They say, what are you kidding me? The level 2's for losers. Well, if loser is the category for winning on 95% of your trades, then I'm really good with that label. See, the level 2 gives me an in-depth view of the demand and supply before it makes a move on the correlating bars. I'm able to see the size of the institutional orders and the direction the stock is heading. And remember this and write it down, folks. High volume trades on the ask are bullish, and high volume trades on the bid are bearish. Let me show you an example of Seldex right here. This is the level 2. And right here, follow my mouse. It's highlight up top. You have in the green is the last tick. It was a buy. It's 28.50 by 27.80. 28.50 was the high to 27.80 was the low. Previous close, 27.17. It's 9:30 in the morning on March 30th. There's 97,000 traded. Volume, it's up 1.2%. This is where it's at. Level 1 quote is 243. Right there, the VWAP is 279. And people, trade VWAP. What's VWAP? It's the value weighted average price, meaning of all the buyers, what's the average? 29.79. So some people like to wait for the stock to be above the VWAP or below the VWAP. It's just another system. And if that's good for you and you make money with it, excellent, because that's what you need is a system. And my system is based on positive expectancy. What the hell is that? That's meaning you see this number right here, 576 in the level 2, this huge number right here. That's where my eyes focus. I know from my system, this stock should go right through that number. So I want to buy here at 47, here at 50, and sell through 28.55 into the 29 range. And there, 28.47. Boom, boom. See that? Right there, 28.55. There it is. There it's gone. It happened at 9:33 from 9:31 in 2 minutes. That stock on the large ask on the right, which is the ask, that large number, bullish. Then you got down here on the left, Fitbit, $40 to 36, up 2. Last trade was up. 39.06 by 11, VWAP's 38. It's September 17th. It's traded 7 million shares, and the previous close is 370. Well, it tells me right here, this 260 number at 39.05, don't buy it. Remember it. It's there. 39.11. People are thinking it's strong. Well, right now, if you saw it, you'd buy. You wouldn't even know he's there. You'd buy at 39.14. You'd buy at 39.20. And it's 38.83. So within 1 minute, it's 11 o'clock and 26 seconds. You didn't believe that this number right here was going to go below 39.05. 11 o'clock, 1 minute later, it's 38.83. So you bought 1,000 shares at 39.20. It's 38.80. You're down 500 and just got stopped out. That's the power of reading level 2. So what did that do? That did this. Let me show you. So what happened was the Fitbit went like this. Fitbit was, this is it, easy, right here. Let's do it in the red. Fitbit was right here, and it's marked at 39.20. All right, and it looks really damn good because it came up from $39. All right, but the signal right here is at 05, and it's big. So it disappears for a second, and you buy 1,000 shares here. The stock is going to end up right here. And you just saw you got stopped out. You lost $500. And you're going to go back in your notes later and look at that bar and say, damn, and look, it went right back up. You say, and you're chasing it. You're like on the wrong wave of the stock. It's the worst feeling, man. It's the worst feeling. So this bar right here, you see it. Let's go to the blue. Right here, this bar is after the fact. How'd you know it was going to happen? Because you saw the signal at 05 before it ever made that. You saw it right here in the beginning as they were taking it up at 05. Then it went to 20 here, and you said, I'm not getting suckered. And boom, you saved your ass. That's after the fact. You called it. How the hell did you do that with your crystal ball? By looking in the level 2 and reading off the time and sales. Charts don't work, folks. Okay? When you're in Mojo University, I give you, all my students, the trade playbook. The trade playbook consists of Cupid, trade play. You've got the rail grind, the Heinz, the mini, the lemon, the gonzo. These are all my patented trade plays that I teach all my traders in their trade playbook that they have a handle on. They can crush and conquer anything in the market. I'm going to show you my staple trade plays, which are the Heinz, the Hulk trade play. Did one today. Here's the Hulk. I think I put it in Mojo U, did I? Yep. So here's Mojo U right here. Oh no, this is a different one. This was CLF I put in Mojo U. Right here, that due to these bars, here's 11:15, here's 12:45. That's another thing I teach. I teach time of trade of the days and what happens. Very, very important. That's the Mojo channel. So these are my trade plays, the Hulk, the Gonzo, and there's the Gonzo. I play Gonzo real good. I teach you all these trade plays that I've made up. And let me show you my patented one, which is the Heinz. And all Mojo traders, the basis of their business is built on Heinz. When you come in the Mojo Day Trade room in the morning, this is what the routine is. It opens up. We get ready for the opening trade plays at 9:15 and 9:30, and the screen share starts. Trading takes place. The goal is to hit the 1.5% every single day. Once that happens, we do a daily poll. And I can go right here. I can go poll results. I can see the results of the poll that we did for today, which was the last one was one bearish and one bullish. I did a poll on if the stock was going to be going higher or lower and so forth. I don't want to scroll back up and show you the results of today. I actually think I put it on Twitter. Let me take a look. Yeah, right here. Here's what the 11:22 Mojo traders traded UV, DRYS, Labu, and Lulu. Right here, showing you the nice observing and watching. The demo made money, lost, made 1 to 3. Really nice polling going on in the room. Okay, so the Mojo traders, all Heinz, and this is what I show everybody in the room every day. The rules of the room. Everything, how it all spells out, okay? Then right here, new traders, you got to beware. You must learn the Mojo scaling sequence. Don't trade, dude. Hold off. And P.S., new traders should only do the Heinz trade, as you're probably going to lose. And others are going to win. You don't want to make that mistake for the first month on the team. You definitely don't. Okay? Heinz trade. Concentrate on it. Look for it. I've got a scanner being built just for the Heinz trade for the Mojo traders. That's going to be available in 2017. It's going to be some exciting things coming on in the beginning of the year. Can't wait to trade with you. Trader Sarah, welcome. I put you in as a trader. Trader Sarah. I know. So what is the Heinz trade in the mini? Heinz trade is an amazing trade. I've done 1,000 of them and won on 1,000 of them. Yeah, I have 100% win rate on this trade play. And when a stock is under a whole number like 2, 4, 7, 14, 22, 122, as the stock approaches the 80 and 90 cent increment below the whole number, the momentum takes over and it brings the stock right through it. Mini Heinz is through the 50 cent increment and played as it approaches 40 under 50. Why do I call it the Heinz? Answer. When you open up a bottle of ketchup, the ketchup does not pour out when you turn it over and you open the cap. In fact, it moves real slow in anticipation until it gets very close to the rim and rolls over. Call it the magic whole number, the rim. The stock pours out much faster. It flies higher, the ketchup. So you open up the bottle of Heinz, you hit it a couple of times, nothing happens, 95, all of a sudden that thing rockets and you're flying. What do I mean? Let me show you. See the stock NQ, 792? See that signal on the ask? It's bullish. It's 11:35. I just bought it at 792. Now it's 2 minutes later, it's 96. Okay? Now it's 97. See the signal on the ask? Bullish, going higher. See it? $8. Hold on, it's about to go through. Boom. See the signal at 8:05? It's going to go through that. Boom, that's the Hines trade play. 805, he's right there. You want to start taking some profits. You just made 10 cents. 807, big signal, still going higher. Beautiful, beautiful. There's 808, selling some there. 809, selling some there. And that's how the Hines trade play works, with amazing consistency. Here's another one on the big side. 48.96 by 49 with a large ask. You buy it at 49, Lululemon. And I did Lulu today. I'll just show you right here because I was going to do it in the webinar. So here's Lulu today going through Hines. Hines 56. See it through $57? What's Lulu at right now? Here's 57.05. What's Lulu at right now? Look at this, Lulu. 57.05, 58.32. That's a Hines move, folks. A big dollar move. Big dollar move. Okay. So 49.09. Look, you buy it right there through Hines 49. 49.09. Stock's going to 50. 49.19. Sold part one right there for a profit. Selling part two right here at 49.29 for a profit. And then I'm selling the rest a little higher and maximizing it. And that's how Mojo trades off level 2. Now, how the hell do you maximize? I teach this to my traders, which I'm a great snowboarder, is the rail grind. Now, rail grind is real simple. See this? Follow my mouse. See that? How it's above this and holding up. Look at that. Riding that rail. Woo! Rail grind. Look how much the stock went up. These are things that I teach my traders to help them maximize stocks and make more money trading. And these are some of the things that will be available in the Mojo University course, which starts this evening. Okay? Success stories. I have hundreds of them, folks. I'd love for you to be one of my success stories. Alan, Carlos, Gerardo, all you guys. Check out these testimonials. There's a lot more of them that I haven't put up, folks. Okay? The real deal people. Real deal. Okay. Mojo University is a comprehensive stock trading classroom environment where I'm going to give you the education and tools to become a winner in the market. Let me show you the course. If you scroll up and you go to Mojo University and then you scroll down, there's 3 courses. This is going to be the day trader course. Okay. Just the day trader class. Okay. And it starts in 5 hours. So you can sign up and get in the class tonight. You're going to get 1 month and 10 classes. But here's how I'm going to break it down. You're getting the silver package. I'm going to give you the day trading class. I'm going to give you the room and private coaching. So let me show you. Scroll down. Here's the topics. Lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, all the way down up to swing trading, up to lesson 52. We're not going into swing options and covered on these. This will be on your second time you take it when I do a more advanced course of Mojo University. And that's pretty much it on that side. So my special offer that I'm taking 20 new students tonight for tonight's class is $500, the big 500. Okay, you thought I was going to say 5,000. There's other people that want to train you and educate you for thousands of dollars. Here's what I say. Good luck, dude. Good luck. You know, you have to work with people. Here's the deal. I'm Trader A and Trader B. Trader B has got a lot of money. Trader A has no money. Trader A never made money. Trader A spends $5,000. He's got to make, in his mind, 10. Make back his 5 plus another 5. Oh, yeah. He's never made money in the market. He's not going to do it. This guy, it's too much money for him. He doesn't know me. I haven't made him money yet. So he's not going to do it. I'm limiting the people that can really succeed in the market because I'm overcharging what I used to do. When I first started Mojo Day Trading, the courses were $500 and $1,000. Now, since I've raised it to 2-3, Someone went to 5 and now everyone else is charging 3 and 4 grand. It's unrealistic, folks. It's bullshit. People aren't going to pay that much money because they don't know who you and they didn't trade with you and they haven't make them money first and then offer them your mastery course, which I have in my other courses. Okay, and how things are going to be developed better in 2017. Okay, let me show you. $500. You're going to get the Mojo Day Trade Room. Value $150. It's $150 a month. I'm going to give it to you for 1 month. Okay? I'm going to give you the level 2 video. $50 value add. Now you're at $200. Okay? I give you that. Done. Then mentoring and private coaching, dude, it's way worth more than $300. But I put it at $300 just so you know you're getting your $500 worth of value for free in value adds plus some. I'm practically paying you to become successful and take the course. Why? Because you'll be with me for a lifetime, and I'll get $149 a month for you for the rest of my life. Instead of getting $149 from you and you lose in 3 months and you're gone and you hate day trading. Folks, I could make it work for you. Here's the deal. You trade with me and you become and open up an account and real deal, okay? $500 is what you're spending. You're going to make commission of 01. You're going to trade 100,000 shares. You're going to pay $1,000 when you would have paid $5,000, or these other guys that are special at $3,000. And that's an extra $2,000 of cost savings by trading with Mojo. And it's all going to be available for you once you start to trade for real and you sign up for the $500. I'm never doing it again. It's only on day trading. It's going to be a small class and it's going to the first 20 people. Okay, mojodaytrading.com/webinar. mojodaytrading.com/webinar. Okay, it's a private page. I know you see it up there. You can't go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this link right now. Here it is. 500. If you go up right here to the top, this page is not accessible, but this one is, and go into Mojo Webinar right here, scroll down, you see this Webby thing? It's going to be gone in 30 seconds. And what I'm doing is I am putting up the link and taking questions now for anybody that has any questions on how to get started or what they need to do. So go ahead, let me know. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the possibility of Mojo Day Trading helping you build a career as a full-time trader and becoming the next pro trader. Be like Pro Trader Alan. Be like Pro Trader Mike. So let's go to Mojo Webinar right here, and I'm going to put it up for you right now. And it's going to say buy now. Okay, there's a little buy now button. So this is for the Mojo U $500 deal. Class starts in 4 hours. Day trade in the mornings, swing trade overnight for the full Mojo experience. Go ahead and refresh your page, folks. And Mojo University special is right there. Buy now for $500. I hope to see you in class tonight and give you the benefit of becoming a pro trader over the next 30 to 60 days. Mojo Day Trading signing off. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Anybody has any questions? Oh, let me see if anybody does. We check that out. nobody has any questions, thank you for watching and keep it profitable. Peace.